Studying in Germany is the dream of almost every student nowadays from other countries, especially when it comes to bachelor study. Though biggest challenge for you guys is that proper guidance is not available. All the information is not easily available. That's why you guys have to struggle a lot. For this reason, I'm going to start this series to break down the whole process into small videos for you so that it is very easily understandable for you. Anybody can apply for admission in Germany if you have clear information and you have done your research well. In today's video, I'm going to share how you can prepare yourself to apply for bachelor study in Germany as soon as you get into 11th standard. Hi guys, this is Sandeep Khera and you're watching Conical Education. Before we proceed further, let me remind you to subscribe below and enable the bell notifications to not miss any updates on this channel. You can also follow me on my social media pages. Links for all of them are given in the description below. Let's dive into today's video. First point I want to speak about is the number of possible ways for the bachelor study. Keep in mind that primary eligibility for bachelor study in Germany is that you must be having 13 years of school education. Whereas most of the countries are offering 12 years of school education. And for this reason, you become ineligible to apply for bachelor study in Germany. Don't worry, you can still get admission into bachelors in Germany with the three possible ways which I am going to just explain now. First way is the standard route that you have finished your 12th grade in your home country. Then you can apply for Studienkolleg in Germany, which is 1 year's course. Then you will be finishing this 13th year in Germany. But the challenge here is that to get into the Studienkolleg, you must be able to communicate at B2 level of German. Most of the universities are asking for this level of communication in German. On the other hand, there are few Studienkollegs who accept B1 level of German for your study of the 13th year in Germany. We will also speak about Studienkolleg in detail in the later videos. Second way which I am going to share is that you can finish your bachelor's first year in your home country in the same stream in which you want to get into Germany in bachelor's. In that way, you can directly become eligible to study bachelor's in Germany. Third way is that you have cleared your IIT JEE mains and advanced in India, then you can directly become eligible to apply for bachelor study in Germany. Then you do not need to spend extra 1 year for Studienkolleg. Second requirement after 13 years of education is language. Bachelor courses are available both in English as well as in German. Though there are more number of courses are available in German language compared to English language courses. Because of this reason, there is a huge competition to get into the English language courses and then it decreases your chances to get into bachelor's in Germany. So you can start learning German as soon as you get into 11th standard. And then you will have 2 years to finish up to B2 level of German. 2 years is a very good amount of time to finish B2 level of German. So that's a really great plan for you if you start learning German as soon as you are into 11th class. By the way, most of the technical courses are available in German language only. In case you want to finish first year in your home country and then you want to come to Germany for bachelor study, then you also have more options to come on the basis of English language. The minimum required IELTS score will be 6.5 bands in each of the sections. Keep in mind that English courses will be mostly in non-technical and non-science related fields such as Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Sociology, Bachelor of Pedagogy, History, Cultural Languages or International Business, etc. So with efforts and planning, you can get into bachelor study in Germany with English language too. Third point which is important to get admission into bachelor's in Germany is your grades in 10th or in your first year of bachelor. Grade point requirements vary from university to university. I'm mentioning here average grade points which most of the universities accept. You can check the university's website for the detailed requirements to see how much grade points are relevant for you in a particular course. You must have minimum of 8 grade points out of 10 or B1 on a scale of C to A, where C being the lowest and A being the highest. Or in terms of percentage, you must be having at least 65% if not 70%. All these grade point requirements which I have mentioned are relevant only for the German language courses. If you are looking to apply to English language courses, then you must target to have little higher grade points in your 12th as well as in your first year of bachelor. Fourth important point, which is not a requirement but very critical point to be considered. you must be having a convincing and connecting cover letter. Universities take the cover letters very seriously. So this is the place where you have to mention who you are, what is your background and qualification, why you are interested in this particular course, and what connection do you have with this course in particular, and how will you make best out of this course after finishing your study in your career. If you explain these points very clearly in the cover letter, it is definitely going to improve your chance to get admission into bachelor's in Germany. So these are just main requirements which I have mentioned to get admission into bachelor's in Germany. You can stay tuned to the channel for detailed information about the bachelor study process in Germany in this series in the coming videos. This is all I have in today's video. You can give a thumbs up or comment below, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.